Hey guys, what's happening? How to create QQ account. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and make sure that you downloaded or updated the app to the latest version. Now I'm gonna open it up, okay, and just follow along the steps. You're gonna see the blue button and the white button. Go ahead and click the blue button right here at the bottom, and then you're gonna enter, of course, your phone number. So I'm gonna enter my phone number, and make sure to add the check mark to agree with their policy, and then go ahead and click the blue button. Okay, and of course you're gonna wait for a few moments, and then you're gonna go to prove that you are not a human, so you're gonna click the similarity, right, and then hit the blue button. Okay, it says right here, I'm gonna on this. Okay, and as you can see, you can go ahead and agree with the policy and start creating your own account. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.